In this video, we are going to look at how to use escape sequence characters, such as this backslash, new line character, tab, and the quotes. So if I want to output something and I want to go to the next line, I need to use a new line character. First, let's see if I print out hello world and run it, you will see hello world and then press any key to continue. They are on the same line and we don't want that. Suppose we wanted to go to the next line. We have two ways to do that. One is we can include in the text, quoted text, a new line character, which is this, okay? And so this will let the system let the pointer go to the next line. And you can see that. So if we want to have an empty line, we just do that. And you can see there is an empty line there. So that's how you use this new line character. You can do this also just by itself. Okay, you can put it before something or inside, in the middle of something. Hello, world. Okay, if I have a space here, the world will have a space in front of it. Let's see. And now if I don't have any new line character here, it will have the press any key to continue on the same line. So let's see. Okay, hello world. And then we have all these, we have two new line characters. One goes to the next line, and then we have one empty line, and then we have another empty line, and then we have another empty line. It goes to the next line. And then we have hello, right? Hello. And then we have a new line character, so the system goes to the next line. And for this world, for the new line, we do have a space here. You see, this is a space. So now, before world, there is a space. So that's how this works. And if we don't want the space, we can simply delete it. And, okay, let's see. These are different ones. I'm just going to close them. Okay, I will run it again. And you can see world and press any key to continue are on the same line because I did not have a new line character here. So I can do this, right? That's one way. Another way is to simply do this. This is and L. It's a name. It means go to the next line. Its function is exactly the same as this. They are the same. But since this is a name, you do not need the quotation marks. So this will function the same as the new line character. Okay, you can see that. So this is this, but what if we want to print out hello world in double quotes? When you print anything, remember, you need to have the quotation marks around the text, right? That's the first quotation mark, that's the beginning one, and this is the ending one. So you need that quotation marks. But what if you want to print out hello world inside quotation marks? Right now, no, they are just text. You can see, right? They are just text. What if we want to print them out in quotes? Then this is how you do it, right? This is the character for a quote to be printed out. So we just put it here. Since that's a quote, then we just put this thing here. And we want a quote after world. So let's put it there. You just put this here because that's a quote. Okay. And let's run. Okay, now it's surrounded by the quotes. So that's how you do that. And if you want to have a tab in between, then just put a tab character there. Okay, notice this is a tab, and you just put a tab. If you want two, just put two of them. Run. Okay, you have two tab there. And if you want to put a backslash before world, you just do that. That is a backslash character. Did I? Okay, yes, I did. So I thought I didn't click the run. Okay, so you see this is two tabs and the backslash. And you can always compare that with your code. Okay, so you know where it is and what it does. So that's the escape sequence characters, and these are just several examples. And notice this, don't get confused with this. Okay, think about it. What does the first quote do? Whatever you want to print out, you need to put that thing inside the quotation marks. So that's what this does. This is the beginning, and this is the ending, right? And so this is simply saying, I want to print out the quotes. And this is saying, I want to print out the quotes. Okay, so let's do one more. So this is good morning, for example. And let's give it a new line character so that it, just put this here. And two of them maybe. Now, if I want this to be in quotes, good morning to be in quotes, then how do you write a quote character to display? Backslash quotes, right? And backslash quotes. So now let's run. Good morning. And the two empty, one empty line. So that's it, escape sequence characters.